English conversation practice with questions and answers. Listen carefully. How are you?
I am fine.
How is your family?
Everyone is good.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What did you buy?
I bought some new clothes.
What do you want?
I want to go out.
What is the time now?
It's 4 p.m.
What is the date today?
Today is 15th of December.
Is it holiday today?
Yes, it is.
What I can do for you?
Please give me a glass of water.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Can we have your phone number?
Yes, note it down, please.
What's the matter?
Nothing special.
What are you playing?
I am playing tennis.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset today.
Do you want to go?
No, I don't want to go.
How is your health?
I'm good now, thanks.
Who are you?
I'm Jane.
When will you go?
I'll go after next week.
When will you come?
I'll come by tomorrow.
What brings you here?
I'm here to meet you.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to reading books.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling better now.
Do you need any help?
No thanks.
How was your day?
Not so good.
Is everything okay?
Yes, absolutely fine.
What would you like to have?
I would like to have a coffee, please.
What do you like?
I like reading books.
What do you want?
I want a laptop.
Where are you from?
I'm from Switzerland.
Where do you live?
I live in California.
What's up these days?
Nothing special as usual.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Do you know me?
Yes, I know you.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my office work.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the market.
How about your work?
It's going well.
How is your family?
Everyone is good.
How is your family?
They are well.
How was your trip to Spain?
It was very beautiful and peaceful.
What kind of music do you like?
I am fond of country music.
Which is your favorite movie?
I like many, but Titanic is my favorite.
Have you read the newspaper?
No, I don't read.
Where did you move from?
I moved from the countryside.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yeah, I like to go to the beach.
Excuse me, do you need any help?
Yeah, I'm looking for a new book to read.
What kind of books are you interested in?
I like to read history books.
I am hungry. Is there anything to eat?
Yes, I made cookies.
Do you do any sport in
Uh,
your free time?
I like to play tennis.
That must be a fun job. How are
Yeah,
you?
I have a lot of freedom.
What's your occupation? How is your
I'm a
family?
freelancer.
Are you ready? Which one do you prefer, what did you buy? Tea?
I personally love coffee.
Speaking practice. How are you? How is your family? Are you ready? What did you buy? What do you want? What is the time now? What's the date today? Is it holiday today? What I can do for you? What do you do? Can you have your phone number? What's the matter? What are you playing? Are you upset? Do you want to go? How's your health? Who are you? When will you go? When will you come? What brings you here? Are you married? What do you do in your free time? How are you feeling now? Do you need any help? How was your day? Is everything okay? What would you like to have? What do you like? What do you want? Where are you from? Where do you live? What's up these days? How old are you? Do you know me? Where are you going? What are you doing? What does your father do? Where are you coming from? How about your work? How is your family? How is your family? How was your trip to Spain? What kind of music do you like? Which is your favorite movie? Have you read the newspaper? Where did you move from? Do you like to go to the beach? Excuse me, Do you need any help? What kind of books are you interested in? I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat? Do you do any sport in your free time? That must be a fun job. What's your occupation? Which one do you prefer, coffee or tea?